Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, wanderers alike. I'm here at the Holiday Inn Suites Vancouver, downtown, BC, Canada. This is going to be a walkthrough, talkthrough of the King, one bedroom suite, 500 square footage of efficient use of space. And without further ado, I'm going to be in our room 615. Alright, so as you walk into the space, this is your initial view. To your immediate right, you're gonna have a little coffee, tea set up, ice with a couple glasses. You actually get a microwave on the inside with an electric hot water kettle. Then a mini fridge underneath. It's mini. Then directly behind us here, we have a wardrobe, iron, full-size iron board with an umbrella, a couple hangers here, and also just a list for some dry cleaning and laundry services. Behind this door here, you're gonna have your bathroom facilities. Large mirror. Some complimentary items. Got your hair dryer and plenty of towels. Nice size shower. And shower head that you can actually change the settings as well. Some Dove products, and what I like the most will be the rear control for your shower. Also, here by your front door, you have a double wide mirror for all the views and fit checks. This is gonna be your living room. I guess I'm gonna call it like a 3-person sofa. Side table in the corner. Nice size television. I don't know, probably about 48. Cabinet space underneath. You can have a couple extra pillows for your sofa bed. Some more storage underneath. Then some additional storage over here as well. And here you actually have additional seating, which is the actual sofa bed in itself. Easy day. All right. Now this room is large, but it's simple. All right. Gonna have a heating unit over here in the corner, more updated heating unit. You can just control the temperatures, whatnot. Plenty of wall lighting. It'd be nice to kind of have some more lighting in like this back corner over here by the side table, but there's plenty of lighting where necessary. You got a little side table, not side table, sorry, like a little workspace. Yeah, 2 USB, 2 power outlets. Additional, this desk is powered by power strip. So you got some more additional sockets there because these sockets here are occupied by the lamp and the power strip. Got a nice little seating area before in case you want to get on some spades, some dominoes, or whatever, have a meal. Got some nice simple decor and some corner lighting as well. But this is the view from the farthest point here. It is kind of echoey. It's just because there isn't a lot of stuff in here, but it's still efficiently utilized. So you actually have an open concept here for your bedroom area. There's no door. King size bed. And side tables is on both sides. Some cubby storage underneath. Couple outlets, USB. A little sitting area with a side table as well. Got a couple more outlets by the chair as well right there. Over here by the television, you got plenty of space for your suitcase, luggage, or whatever, and you can put that actually anywhere throughout the actual unit. But you got a safe here, got a deep drawer, plenty of space. Then on the television, you got some additional empty cabinet space. So like I said, very simple, but it's a large space. And I guess we'll talk about the television. This remote actually says that it has YouTube and Netflix on it, but if you click them, it just tell you that it can't connect. Same thing, Netflix, it's not available. So if you actually go to the settings, you actually see that there is Chromecast. I've been fooling around with this for a minute and I have not been able to get it work with my iPhone. It sets up to like a QR code, Wi-Fi spot type of situation. I tried Netflix, also tried YouTube through the app. Couldn't get it to come up on the television. Like once you hit the little connect button right here, you get the little QR code and everything come up, and it'll automatically set up the Wi-Fi for you. Aside from that, you do have TV guide. Let's go down to TV channels. This is just your local Vancouver visitor TV channel here. If you go up to the guide, it does have a scrolling guide. Unfortunately, you can't navigate this yourself. There is no actual TV guide where you can just kind of skim through the times, skim through the channels. You gotta double back and wait for this to finish and then come all the way back around. It's something. You know, if you're staying here, and hopefully you can probably get your Chrome Connect to work, or your Chromecast, whichever one it's called, to work. There'll be another added bonus stuff, having an additional TV feature, so you don't have to just set up your iPad, sit on your phone or whatever, because this space is big enough for a family and some guests. So, you know, if you want to actually have that different type of entertainment, that's something that I hope either I can figure out tonight and I'll let y'all know, or that they can correct, or maybe you can figure out on your own. Maybe you're an Android user and it probably works better with Android than it does with an Apple. But aside from all that, hope you all got something out of this. If you stayed here at the Holiday Inn Suites here at Vancouver downtown, what was your thoughts about your stay? And if you haven't, hopefully you got something out of this. And if you're planning some future trips, hopefully this is beneficial for you. So till next time, more love, peace.